Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the first tutorial in my flask tutorial series. So I'm gonna continue the series, so don't forget to subscribe to help me beat the YouTube algorithm together. And then what we're gonna do in this tutorial is we're gonna set up our first website. So what we have to do is create a new file in your project. So I've already created this. It's called flasktutorial.py. You can name it anything you want. So our goal for this video is to get a website up and running that displays a text called my first website. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna import from Flask. We're gonna just import everything. So star is to import everything, and then I just like to import everything so I don't have to go one by one to import more stuff. So first thing to first, so what we do is we define our app variable, which is just like a skeleton of our app. We do flask, and then we do underscore, and then name. And then to run this, we do if name equal to main, and then we say app dot run, and then we say debug equals true. So what's going on here is we're just defining our skeleton app, and then if we're seeing if our app is functional, then we are running it, and then debug equals to true is just so we can debug our application, which is so we can see the errors in the app and it can break them down for us. So this is optional. You can just leave it blank, but that's recommended when it's in the developing stage. But when you deploy the app, you can just debug equals to false. So what we do now is we're gonna define a function. To define a function, I'm gonna name this home. So if you guys don't know how to define a function, you can just check out my basic of functions video. That's gonna teach you everything you need to know about functions in Python. So, and we're gonna say @app.route. This just says that where we are in the website. So in here I'm just gonna say slash, which is the home page, and this is the home function. So, and what I'm basically just gonna do is in this function I'm just gonna return a string, and we can just wrap it in h1 so it's big, and then slash h1. After this I'm gonna show you how to add a custom HTML file, so stay tuned for that. And we can just say my first website. So this basically just returns in h1 tags my first website, and this is so we can go home, and then this is so as soon as we run the website, this is the page we go to. And if we do like /home, we have to type in /home to go to that page. So if we go over here, you can see we get my first website. So what I was showing you is if we just copy this whole thing, and we can do Control V, we can do /page, and then we can also call the function page, and we can just type in another page. So then if we run this back, now we're still gonna be at our my first website, but now if we go /page, we can say another page. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked this first video. I'm gonna be releasing multiple more videos, so don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned, and turn the notification bell on so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together. Like the video, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.